let's simplify these expressions. Solution. The first one, we are given a raised to power 2 times minus a all raised to power 2 divided by a raised to power 5. Now here we simplify. We write this out first, a raised to power 2 times. Now let's simplify what we have inside these brackets. Minus a, that's something as having minus 1 times a all raised to power 2 over a raised to power 5. So here we'll be having a raised to power 2 times. Now we can split this out by their powers. That is, we'll be having minus 1 raised to power 2 times a raised to power 2 over a raised to power 5 equals, we rearrange, minus 1 raised to power 2 times a raised to power 2 times a raised to power 2 over a raised to power 5. So here, minus 1 raised to power 2, that gives us plus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1. So we have 1 times, we can apply the multiplication law of indices here. We'll have a raised to power 2 plus 2. Then this divided by a raised to power 5, that gives us minus 5. So here we have 1 times a raised to the power of 2 plus 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. And here, negative power, it becomes 1 over a raised to the power of 1. And a raised to the power of 1 is something as 1 over a. So we have 1 times 1, 1 over a. And that gives us our final answer. So for the second example, we have 8 over 125 all raised to the power of minus 1 over 3. Let's simplify it first by removing this negative power. So here we'll have 1 over 8 over 125 all raised to the power of 1 over 3. And here we have 1 over, since everything inside the bracket is having this raised to the power of 1 over 3, it can be simplified as 8 raised to the power 1 over 3 over 125 raised to the power 1 over 3. And we can rewrite it as 1 divided by 8 raised to the power 1 over 3 is something as having cube root of 8 over 125 raised to the power 1 over 3 is something as having cube root of 125. So we have 1 divided by cube root of 8, that's 2, because 2 can multiply itself in 3 places to give us 8. And cube root of 125 is 5, because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. And here, this becomes 1 times 5 over 2, and this is 1 over 1. So we multiply together, we have 5 over 2, which gives us our final answer. And that's how to simplify this, applying the laws of indices. Thank you.